Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today it's Black Friday and we're at the local Home Depot store in Tacoma, Washington. We want to go in and see what kind of Black Friday deals. They've been bragging that they're doing Black Friday all month of November, but you know what? You know there's always gonna be a little something in there. There's a couple things I'm actually looking for, so we thought it'd be kind of fun to go in and show you guys the deals that we have in our local market. And then don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know if it's different where you're from. If you have a Home Depot in your region and maybe there's different deals for geographic or whatever reasons, let us know by leaving a comment below. More importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as we just reached our goal of 100,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, each and every one of you. We are so grateful for you for clicking that subscribe button. We want to hit 200,000 now. We're going to have an epic giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that. The only way you're going to know about it though is if you subscribe to our channel and you hit that bell icon to be notified when we're going to be doing the giveaway. Let's get inside. It's coming down rain today, so I'm glad I'm not working. I'm here with my son, DJ Studio Man, and we're going to go up inside this place and we're going guerrilla. Don't tell nobody what's up. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so the first thing we did was we hit the area where we think all the holiday deals are, and lo and behold, we hit an end cap where it's a Milwaukee, your choice, $19.97. You can get a 2-pack of 25-foot compact magnetic tape measures for 20 bucks. So you get two for, they're $10 a piece. So that's a pretty sweet deal. They also have a couple squares. Those looks like they've been pretty popular. A regular size speed square and a small one. But another one of my all-time favorites are these flip out knives, these fastback knives. Two for $20, $10 each. That's a pretty sweet deal. This one looks like a newer model with a flip out screwdriver on it as well, which can come in handy. Ooh, it's a 6-in-1 they say. So it's a nut driver, a Phillips, and a standard, and a different size nut driver. So that's kind of a sweet deal as well. So that's not bad. And I do believe these have been on sale all month. So nothing really special about that one today. So there might be some validity to what they're saying as far as this sale going on all of November. So let's see what else is available. Saw another end cap, and they're selling a DeWalt 30-piece bit set for 10 bucks, $9.97. I see this as if you are always struggling to find bits, and they folds up into a compact case, this is something for $10. It's probably worth the time. How many times have you looked for a bit for 20 minutes? You just spent $10 in time looking for that bit, and you could just spend 10 or 20 bucks on a couple of these and just have them in your toolbox, and they're always there. So I think that's a sweet deal. They also have some decent drill bits for the same price, $9.97, I believe. Oh, these are $5.97. So $6 for some of your most standard. There's some 1/8 inch, some 1/4 inch, which is ones we use all the time, and a 5/16. There's 3/16 as well. So this is a smaller set for $6. They're usually at least $2 a piece. So that's a pretty sweet deal for $6. I will probably pick up a couple of these just to throw them in our drill bit case, because sometimes you're losing them, you're breaking them. You can take these and replenish all those smaller bits that you're continually losing in your kit. So sweet deal for $6. All right, so I'm going down another aisle and we ran into the Husky brand, which is Home Depot's brand. These are a 6-piece 1/4 inch hex bit impact socket adapter set. We use these all the time, and they have the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch sizes in 2 different lengths. Again, man, like they're $1 a piece, because they're only, they're $6.88. So you're paying $1.25 a piece for them. Totally worth having. You just take these and you just throw them in your bit set, and then you always have them. You get 2 of each size in 2 different lengths. I think that's a sweet deal too. I'm gonna have to get a bucket and start loading up. All right, I actually bought one of these at the beginning of the month. This is a Milwaukee Hole Saw Kit. They claim it's an $80 value. It's a nice compact kit, and it's $29.88, normally $39.88. I would consider that a pretty sweet deal if you have burned out some of your hole saws, or you don't have a hole saw kit and you could probably use one. You should get down and pick one of these up for $30. That's a pretty sweet deal. You know, you could just buy 2 or 3 of the hole saws and spend that much money on it. The arbor and the pilot bit are included in that price, and it's really compact, so you can just stuff it in your toolbox and away you go. So pretty awesome deal for 30 bucks. All right, just stumbled upon this. This is a DeWalt 20 volt XR 16 gauge angled finish nailer for $299. It comes with the kit, comes with the charger and the battery for 300 bucks. Not a bad price, really, to get you going with a cordless finish gun. We pretty much stopped using compressed air for guns. We only use our cordless finish guns anymore. It's been like that for years, so not a bad price. All right, and in the same aisle, we see a DeWalt oscillating tool, 20 volt max. Has looks like a 4 amp hour battery and a charger and the tool for 149 bucks. Really not a bad deal. We use ours all the time. We have 3 of these and we absolutely love them. I would always recommend having one of these in your arsenal for tools, and not a bad price at $150. All right, so just stumbled upon these Milwaukee gloves. You get 6 pairs of these nitrile dip gloves for $19.88. That's not a bad deal. You know, you're about $3.25 a pair or something like that. Looks like these have been a popular item, as all I see are extra large left. Unfortunately, the early bird gets the worm on these. That's all they have. So maybe you have to go to a different store to pick up some large. So good luck with that. All right, so just stumbled upon these. These are Crescent Aviation Snips. They have 3 different kinds for you for $11.97. 12 bucks isn't bad for a brand new pair of snips. I don't know about you guys, but when I'm cutting a lot of flashing and metals, it's always nice to have a new fresh set. I like the yellow because it's designed to go right, left, and forward. And so I'm usually mostly using the yellow handle and the green handle, which is to the right. So those are my 2 favorite. I don't use the reds much, but I actually lost my pair of DeWalt ones, so I ended up buying a pair of these to add to my arsenal. So not a bad price for $12. All right, so just walked onto the Diablo kiosk in the middle of the store, right through the middle. For $12.88, your choice, you can get some Speed Demon bits, which we destroy these all the time. So this would be a great item to add, again, to the toolbox, just because, I mean, what the heck, 70% savings? Yeah, man, I'm all over that. You can get 2 7¼ inch blades. Are these 7¼ These are 6.5. These are 6.5 inch blades. So these might fit on a track saw or a special saw. 24 teeth, you get 2 of them for 13 bucks. I'm looking for that 7¼ oh, here we go. Here we go. So you can get 2 7¼ inch blades for $13, $6.50 a piece. Well, $12.88 if you want to get technical. I'm not going to do the math in my head, but $6.44. I lied to you. I did the math in my head. You get a 2-pack. Again, like usually there's a $10 a piece, right? So you're saving some dough, man. Take advantage of some of these holiday deals, right? So that's not a bad price. Also, looks like they have some jigsaw blades. I'm just gonna have to jump on some of this. I'm gonna go get my Homer bucket and jump on this, because you're saving 50%, man. You got all these jigsaw blades. You know, these 4 or 5 right here is worth the 12 bucks. Plus you get all this stuff. That's a really sweet deal. Let's get a bucket and start filling it. I'm gonna buy some stuff. Maybe we'll throw some of this in our giveaway too, our 100K giveaway. Let's see what else is on here. This is all the same, but you can see how fast this stuff's selling out. Like there's empty areas in each one. But the one other thing I wanted to show you guys, check this out. If you just need demo blades or something that just cuts, that you don't care about the quality of the blade, you can get 2 Avanti Pro, which is made by, I believe these are made by Freud, for $6. $5.97. 2 7¼ inch blades for $6. $3 a piece. These are throwaways, man. You do your demo and you throw them away. But for that price, why spend $10 on a blade or even more? What if the guys take your good $40 blade and run it through a bunch of decking, hit a bunch of nails, you just destroyed it for $40, when you can spend $3 and get a couple of these. So these are definitely going in the bucket. As a matter of fact, we'll probably just buy the bucket while we're at it, but let's load up. I'm gonna buy 5 of these because I know what's gonna happen. While I'm at it, let's get some of these jigsaw blades. So I'll get 3 of those, and then we'll do a little bit higher quality Diablo blade. We'll get some of those in 7¼ We'll buy 3 of those. That's 6 of those, so that'll last us a minute. Just hit another Diablo kiosk, and looks like they're claiming there's a $100 value here for $29.88. of reciprocating blades. I have to agree, I think that is a pretty sweet deal, except you gotta be able to use them all. If you're not gonna use some of these, then maybe that deal is not for you. I noticed the one deal that probably was very sweet. Everybody knows how expensive oscillating blades are. There's a 5-piece universal set for $29.88, $6 a piece. This is a deal, and it's such a good deal, there's absolutely none left in this display. They're gone. So maybe you can find them in your region or your Home Depot, but as far as I'm concerned, I can't even buy them if I wanted to. They're just gone. So instead of these, maybe I should get one of these. I'm gonna buy one of these. I'm gonna get a couple of these bits. My bucket's getting full, and let's go see if there's anything else. All right, for all you Makita fans out there, we just found this. You get a 2-pack 18-volt lithium-ion 4-amp-hour batteries for 139 bucks. It's usually a $200 value, so I suppose that's not such a bad deal. Here's the 2-pack right here. They're claiming that, you know, they're saying $269 here. I don't know if that's the actual, yeah, they're claiming $269, even though right here it says it's a $199 value. So I guess depending on how you buy your batteries, it's not a bad price. So stock up. All right, so here we go, guys. The Fat Max, it's a staple. It's an absolute staple in our lives, in our construction lives, made by Stanley. It's tried and true. And we did a video earlier this year where we were talking about the Fat Max and inconsistencies in brands of tape measures. So what I've learned is if everybody has the same tape on the job site, you're more accurate with all your measurements. So now that we're gonna have 4 people on our team, I can have 4 tape measures. If they're all brand new, all the same type, then for 6 months, we will all have accurate measurements. So what I'm gonna do, you get 2 of these for $24.88. That's usually what one tape costs, or maybe a little bit less. So this used to be a deal for $20, but everything's gone up. Inflation, everything's pricing. So it's still a deal. You're getting $12.44 for a 25-foot Stanley Fat Max. I'm 100% all in all the time. Let's go. I'm gonna buy 8 of these. So I'm gonna buy 4 packs. That should get us a full year until next year. We'll come back here. If I get enough comments, enough people that appreciate this video, then we'll come back and do it again next year. And maybe we can get a few more deals in and show you guys a few more products or something like that. But I'm gonna buy 4 of these. I'm gonna add them to my bucket right now because I think that's a sweet deal. So for $100, all year, I'll be able to have accurate measurements for the entire team, all right? And I was here a couple weeks ago and they didn't have these. I looked. Ooh, my bucket's getting a little heavy. All right, guys, well, that's some holiday deals at your local Home Depot. I hope you appreciated this video. If you did, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. I could stay here all day and talk about tools. So if you like this video and you want to see more of this type of content, leave a comment below and let us know that, and we'll consider it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video as well. Have a great day.